Hola estudiantes, vamos a hablar about the seasons. We're not talk about seasons. Okay. Vamos a hablar de las estaciones. So anyway, on page 121 of your book, we have a page that looks like this. So I don't know exactly what these symbols mean. No, I think I know now. So this is a flower. This looks like the sun. Then it looks like a leaf and a snowflake. So this symbolizes the seasons, the 4 seasons. So we have here spring, summer. No, it's hot. So it's fall. The leaves fall from the trees, and then of course snowflakes. So we have snow and ice and all that. So I'm gonna say it now. Again, these are the months of the year. So again, you saw that in the last video. Enero, febrero, marzo, abril, mayo, junio, julio, agosto, septiembre, octubre, noviembre, y diciembre. Then we have the seasons, las estaciones. It looks like stations somehow. This word, las estaciones. So this is the seasons. So we have invierno. So I don't know why I have it the other way around. So invierno, that means winter. We have an expression and say in winter. So en invierno. So notice here the preposition en. En invierno. So in winter. Then we have primavera. Then we go back here. I guess because I'm Canadian, I tend to refer to winter first. But anyway, so invierno. Then we have primavera, spring, primavera. I like that word, primavera. Then we have verano, summer, el verano. And then we have el otoño. So anyway, primavera, verano, otoño, invierno. And then here we have some indication. I don't know what country is this, but invierno es en enero, febrero, marzo. So en invierno, in Canada, or at least in Alberta, our winter, invierno is en enero, en febrero, en marzo. So again, in January, in February, in March. Then we have primavera, primavera en abril, en mayo, en junio. Then we have summer, verano, en julio, en agosto, en septiembre. And then we have otoño, en octubre, en noviembre, and part of December. So there's a sentence here. En verano no tengo clases. So in summer, I don't have any classes. You know, our university is closed, right, in summer. So en verano no tengo clases. Por eso, that is why en julio y en agosto vuelvo a casa de mis padres. So that is why, por eso, in July and in August, I return a casa de mis padres. So now the book is trying to teach you something here. This verb here, let me see if I can write something here. Okay, so I'm gonna write here something, text. So this verb, this one here, volver, this one here, means to return. So that verb, the infinitive is, so the infinitive, remember, infinitive the basic form of that verb is volver. Volver. Sorry. Volver. It means to return. Again, the infinitives in English, they begin with to, these two here. So notice what happens to this verb. I return, yo vuelvo. So you would think that this is the root, right? Yo vuelvo, maybe like it looks like a car. But no, we have yo vuelvo. So we have again another type of verb that changes o. It changes the o in the root. Okay. So this o here, it changes to ue. So this, you have to remember this because it's going to be in the test that we have in Spanish some verbs that change o to ue. I already talked to you about that, but so that will be yo vuelvo, I return. Tú vuelves. Tú vuelves. So you return. Él, ella, usted, so he, she, and you polite, vuelve. And then we have nosotros volvemos. So remember that always the we form doesn't, it's regular, so they're always back here. And then we have our you in plural. Ustedes vuelven. And then we have ellos vuelven. Okay, so again, we're learning here again the seasons of the year. Again, primavera, verano, otoño, winter. And then some expressions here. So in verano no tengo clases. In summer, I don't have any classes. They notice this G2 here. We have already seen this verb here before. Sorry, let me look for now. So, por eso, en julio, that is why in July and August, vuelvo, I return to the house of my parents. Okay. So we can ask a question. ¿Cuándo es invierno en Calgary? Again, there is a mistake here. It's just missing one accent mark. So I'm just going to put it here. Hope it works fine. Okay. Give me 1 second. Give me 1 second, okay? So we have, again, we have our, so cuando, so remember this accent mark. When is winter in Calgary? Well, you can say maybe in Canada is all year round, but you can say en Calgary es invierno en enero, febrero y marzo. ¿Cómo es el tiempo en Calgary en diciembre? How is the weather in Calgary in December? En diciembre, perdón. So es frío. Es frío. So it is cold. Now you have to notice something here that is important. So when we talk about the weather, sometimes we use this verb hacer, which means to make, to do. So in English, you say it's sunny, so you use the verb to be. It's windy, it's hot, it's cold. Sometimes in Spanish, we use hacer. So hace sol, it makes sun. So this is the verb in third person. This is the noun, this is the sun. So it makes sun, hace sol, it's sunny. It makes wind, hace viento, it's windy. It makes heat, hace calor, it's hot. It makes cold, frío, cold, hace frío. Hace frío, it's cold. So this is our idiomatic expressions. You have to learn and accept that this is the way we say it in Spanish. However, I want to warn you that sometimes you will have the verb to be, just like in English, right? So you might say, instead of saying es hace sol, which is it's sunny, you might say está soleado, which is, this is word by word, is it is sunny. Word by word is it makes sun. You can also have it is hot. Be careful with this one. I'll explain you later. So this is also it is hot. And then you have a verb sometimes, like, you know, you don't say hace lluvia, like it makes rain. You don't say that. So llueve is a verb, it rains. Or you can also say está lluvioso, it is rainy. Okay, so I leave you with this. Again, I just want to emphasize that we're trying to remember that the seasons, right? The seasons, primavera, verano, otoño, invierno, and that sometimes we use the verb hacer. Okay, so I hope you like the presentation. So take a look at them and answer some of the questions I have posted along with this video. Okay, thank you.